The CMF Buds Neo bring essential features and stylish design into a budget-friendly package. Available in teal navy blue, all black, and a striking orange and white combination, these earbuds immediately stand out with CMF's signature design language. The case weighs just 51 grams, featuring a smooth matte finish that feels great in the hand and fits effortlessly into a pocket. When it comes to hardware, each earbud weighs only 5 grams, making them light enough for extended listening sessions. They combine a matte stem with a glossy upper body, giving them a distinct two-tone look. For everyday protection, the earbuds carry an IP54 rating against sweat and water splashes. On the connectivity side, you get Bluetooth 6.0 with support for SBC and AAC codecs, plus Google Fast Pair for instant connection with Android devices. Audio is powered by large 12.4mm dynamic drivers that produce punchy, vibrant sound without distortion, even at high volumes. Through the companion app, listeners can fine-tune the audio using equalizer presets, a custom EQ, or a dedicated bass enhancement feature that lets you dial the low end up to your preferred level. For total, microphones work together to clear up voice calls and reduce background chatter. For noise control, the active noise cancellation blocks up to 35 decibels of ambient sound, featuring low, mid, high, and adaptive modes. There is also a transparency mode for when you need to hear your surroundings. Additional utilities include customizable touch controls, dual-device connectivity for seamless switching between a laptop and phone, and a dedicated low-lag mode that keeps audio perfectly synced during gaming and video streaming. Battery life is equally reliable, backed by a 460 mAh case and 45 mAh earbud batteries. This translates to roughly 40 hours of real-world playback time. While they skip in-ear detection to keep costs down, the overall performance makes them an impressive daily driver. The CMF Buds Neo offer outstanding value, proving that high-performing wireless audio does not have to come with a heavy price tag.